guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm gonna talk about what I actually did to my GTR as far the maintenance. Maybe I should just sit down and let's talk. So the first thing what I did when I got the car was to change the oil filter and the oil on the car. And the thing is, the original owner said that he changed the oil and everything was done, but I've decided to do it myself anyway, so I replaced the oil. And what I found out, because he always serviced his car at the Nissan dealer, that the oil filter is actually old. It was older, and I could tell there wasn't replaced probably like maybe 2 oils before that. So I changed that, and on the 09 GTR you have to remove the front lip to replace the oil, which I probably will have to kind of modify the under tray not to do that next time, so it will make things much easier. As you can see, I'm wearing a hoodie. I'm sitting in my garage because it's pretty cold out. And yeah, so I did oil, then I did the filter, then I replaced the spark plugs. And on the 09 GTR, you have to remove the throttle bodies to be able to replace the spark plugs. On the DBA, you don't have to. You just put them aside. On the DBA, you don't have to remove the throttle bodies, but on the 09 you do have to. Just unbolt them and put them to the side, but that's a different story on a different video. So I replaced the spark plugs, and then I replaced all brake pads and the rotors on all 4 corners. I wanted to do it because the previous ones were pretty shot. So that was the next. I replaced the cabin filter. It was pretty disgusting. There was a date on it. It showed old date. I replaced that, and then I replaced the engine oil filters with the OEM drop-ins. Then I wanted to do the front diff and the rear diff, but original owner said again, he said don't do it, and I actually trust him on this. He showed me on the menu, on the LCD display with the other maintenance. He said it was done, and it shows like the scale when you need to replace. So I'm gonna do it after the winter time. I'm gonna replace all the oils, like the front diff and the rear diff. I don't have to do the trans, because the trans that I have on the car right now is built. It's a stage 2 trans done by AMS, which is AMS sends it to Shepherd, and Shepherd do the trans, and then they send it back and they mount back on the car. So I'm not gonna replace that. Probably next year by the end of summer I'll do that maintenance. So yeah, I pretty much when I got the car, I replaced everything that I could to make the car, run healthy, and everything is up to date. And I also log everything when things were done. So yeah, I think that's about it as far a quick video. I wanted to make that video about 5 minutes to tell you guys what I actually done what I actually do to any car when I get it. I just do the maintenance myself, replace everything as far the maintenance, and yeah, this is it. This is what I actually did to my GTR as far the maintenance, and I probably suggest you guys to do the same whenever you get a, not only GTR, any car. Just replace everything and be up to date, and the car stays, runs great and everything. So far the car is running amazing. It's been months and I have no issue on the car. The car runs great, no clunks, nothing. Yeah, so this is it. This is pretty much what I did as far the maintenance to my GTR when I got it. And thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.